Can you hear me, guys? Hi, Manshu. Hi, Siddhant. सिद्धांत आवाज आ रहा है? Hi, Axon. Welcome to today's live session of Pace Culture. And today we have India's top female DJ. Any guesses? I'll wait for your guesses. I mean, of course, you saw the poster, but for those who don't, no one? Okay, so today we'll have live DJ Rink with us. She's India's top female DJ for 15 years now. I mean, DJing magazine has been ranking her first for the past 5 years now. Yes, it's DJ Rink, and I really think there's no Bollywood party that goes without DJ Rink, right? I mean, every other DJ has to play a mix by DJ Rink. So we'll of course get to know more once she joins. How is everybody? I hope people are not getting casual with this quarantine thing. I mean, it's getting difficult every day, but then you have to do what you have been doing since day one. I mean, keep washing your hands still. Stay home, of course, man. I mean, it's gonna be 3 more months, I heard. Can be tough, but I mean, it's necessary to do anyway. I mean, we might have a really dark future otherwise. So just waiting for Rink to join us. Hi, Ambrish. Hi, Siddhant. It's just seven of us. Hi, Shraddha. मैं भी फोटोग्राफर. ओके. हाय नितिन भाई. हाय हिमांशु. So yes, we'll. Na- yes, hi नितिन. इंस्टा हैंडल वाला नाम लेना है या ओरिजिनल वाला लेना है? Oh, we are always working, Vatsal. It's all for you. It's all for you guys. I'm sure Rajat will reply soon, Remy. A lot of people joining, but we're waiting for Rink. Yes. Okay. I'm sorry you cannot send me. I mean, you are sending me requests, but I cannot accept it. Respect, bro. You're working on holidays also. Respect to you, bro. You could have been working, not your day to day. Please tell us something about your quarantine. Oh my God. I'm just watching Messiah. I'm just watching Messiah on Netflix, munching on snacks. I don't think I'm making it any productive. I'm learning guitar, by the way. I don't know if you guys want to know that, but since Himanshu asked, tell us about bass culture. Oh my God. We'll have Axon live in a few days, and he'll tell a lot about bass culture. We'll get to know a lot. I mean, there's things I don't know, maybe. Beginner DJ tips. Okay, Rink. I think we should ask that to Rink, right? Tanix. Tanix. How do you pronounce it? Busy getting the best artists to interview with Base Culture. Yes, yes, very busy. Okay, Rink will be here. You can ask me questions, other questions. I mean, I'm not very used to this live sessions, but no. Okay, hi Rink, let's go. Waiting for me. Okay,
Hello,
here we go.
guys.
Hi Rink.
Hello, everybody.
Hi,
How are you,
I'm
everyone?
Hari. Good, how are you?
Hi, introduce yourself, please.
Yes, I'm Hari. I'm Hari from Base Culture, yeah.
Hari. Nice to meet you, Hari.
Yeah,
Thank you.
to
Thank
meet
you for
you.
having me here.
Yes, I'm so glad I'm hosting you today.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm glad to be here.
Where are you?
I'm home. I can't go out, and nobody can go out. We are home.
Yeah, I'm glad you're home. I mean, there are people stuck outside home. I mean, there's a lot of people
Yeah.
stuck in some other place they went to.
Right. Right.
That's really bad.
Right. No, but it's like, yeah, people are stuck, but then wherever they are, they have to be there because they have to be safe. And let this 20 days
Yeah.
go away and maybe more, but
Let's-
we are safe. That's what.
Yeah.
Jaan hai to jahan hai.
Right. So, yes, so we are doing, are you updated with what we are doing right now? I mean,
Not
we
really.
do the,
I mean, but you can
yeah,
let me know for sure.
I ask you trivia questions. Maybe your
Please.
fans want to know something from you.
Yeah,
Right.
please go ahead.
So, tell us about your childhood, maybe. Where were you born and brought up?
I am born, brought up, studied in Mumbai. I did my
Okay.
education from Mitibai College, Juhu.
Oh,
And
that's awesome.
then I was working as a marketing person in a marketing field. And I worked for like 6-7 years. And then after that, I happened to be a DJ. So I did a DJ course. After my DJ course, I did my sound engineering. I'm sorry?
Okay.
Yeah.
How did you get into DJing? I mean, was it a friend who suggested, or were you like
No,
attached to it before?
I was working somewhere, and weekends I used to organize parties, you know. So there was a small event company which I used to go and understand their workings and everything for the weekend time. And then I saw one DJ one day, and my friend went to request him a song, and then in the reply, she got the reply that, okay, if you want this song to be played, please come and play. You know, so okay, so that was the case. And then I was like, okay, let me check out, you know, how this thing works, you know. And I wanted to just have fun with it because I guess that time the parents to understand that, you know, work in nightlife, it was difficult. And I had a feeling that my parents are never going to say yes. So I just started for fun. I wanted to learn something. So I started for fun. But yeah, today I'm here.
Yeah, great applause.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, yes. So, do you like which city do you like maybe?
I like Hyderabad a lot. After this, that's my best city. Yeah, after Mumbai is first, and second is Hyderabad, and then Bangalore. Yeah, for sure.
Okay. So, maybe you can tell me, do you like EDM? I mean, do you listen to international EDM acts? I mean, there must be a favorite, I'm sure.
Okay, so I listen to a lot of genre, just not EDM, but I listen right now. I'm listening to a lot of deep house and techno because I'm trying to collab with those genre with Bollywood, and Bollywood is a vast field. And this Saturday, I'm doing something brand new with Bollywood, and I'm going to be live with that set. I would ask people to come live and check my music out on Saturday because it's going to be different Bollywood section altogether.
Okay.
So I'm experimenting with music. I'm listening to their music, as in that how do we collaborate and how do we club those sounds with our music, you know, mixing the cultures, mixing the art of both the sides, east, west, and trying to, you know, mix it up with something. So I'm right now I'm loving it is deep house, and that's one of my favorite genre as well. So
Yeah, so
my
are you
childhood,
working?
yes.
is the project that you're working on? I mean, right now.
Right now, I have a lot of projects I'm working because I'm doing a brand new set on Saturday. And Saturday, I'm going to be
Okay.
not playing my club set at all, which people have heard 100 times in 100 clubs in 100 different things. So I'm not repeating my set at all because all the people can listen to my set. My sets are there. And I'm putting all my club sets non-stop on YouTube channel on every Wednesday. So every Wednesday, people can listen to my non-stop. And it's there on my YouTube. So I guess I'm doing brand new this Saturday. It's going to be different.
Okay. I mean,
Thank you
it's a
guys, all
shock for-
Polygram lovers. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm seeing that. Who's your favorite?
I'm hoping
Indian
this
female?
this Saturday you like it.
Yes, we'll watch it for sure. We'll watch it. What time is it? Are the posters out yet?
You're breaking
Hello?
up, Hari.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yeah. Hi.
Yeah. So are the posters out yet? I mean, what time are you playing? Where are you playing? मतलब आपके चैनल से आने वाले हो आप?
Hari, I couldn't hear you. Sorry.
Okay. Can you hear me now? Hello. Hello. I think it might be my net. Hello. Can you hear me now?
Okay, Hari, there's a big circle which is going on your face. So that means it's not connecting. Okay, now I guess I can see you.
Okay, you can see. You can meanwhile answer some of your fans' questions. Maybe. Are you Punjabi?
Hari, I can't hear you.
Okay.
Kem cho
Sure.
bada maja macho.
We can hear you both.
Okay, they can
Okay,
hear
that's
us, but I can't hear you, Hari. Now you can speak to me. Can you speak?
Okay. I'll maybe type. Maybe answer a few fan questions. I hope you can read
Yeah.
it.
Okay.
I
What's
mean,
my
you-
fans'
to-
question? Okay.
Internet is down.
Hi guys. So what would you like to listen to this Saturday? What are you expecting, guys? So I'm asking my fans.
Yeah.
Hari, I can't hear you. Maybe my fans are here. Whomsoever is seeing me right now, I'm talking to them right now because I can't hear you, Hari.
Please.
So
talk
what
to
kind of
them.
songs or what kind of music you're expecting for me to make?
Or maybe if you want new DJ.
So Tech House is coming this Saturday. You will definitely have the non-stop going on my YouTube on every Wednesday.
Okay. Please ask
Thank
the
you,
questions.
Hitesh.
I
Thank you so
cannot-
much. My Indian favorite female DJ, I would say I like Pearl, DJ Pearl. She used to be my favorite. Abroad, dream DJ to collab with would be DJ Snake. I like his sounds. Or maybe Kashmir.
Okay.
What
What
inspires me the most is our instruments, sound of our instruments, which inspires me the most because we are Indians and we did tremendous instruments to play around with. Like example is the tabla. I would love that to collab. Time management. When you become a traveler, you become a very good time manager. Hello,
I guess you have to.
Ahad. How are you, Ahad? Hello, Pratik. How are you, Ahad? Management skills. Okay, so what I do is I always carry a diary. I would have shown you my diary. How do I manage my things and my releases? I can show you that. Okay, give me a minute. So I would tell you how do I manage everything.
And also you can tell me if you can hear me.
So I'm not. I'm not. So here is my diary. You can see the 2020 diary. Um, so I'm not a computer person because I believe in writing something and coming it live and taking it live. So in my diary there are things I write in my boxes, and I would show you something like what do I do with my songs and how do I. It's very messy right now, but you can see it. I will show you what happens when I do the homework. This is my homework. All the song names to what tempo to these are the things which I do and manage. So you would see on a lot of this thing that I do my homework very well. And yeah, so when I have to write something or all my boxes will be having the festival names or dates or something when it is Mahashivratri, song releases. So I would do all of this. So if you were coming looking at the March, April, so you would see something in April as well. So my entire year is planned, completely planned. And
I guess this is how you manage your time. I mean, since you have it all written. Is it my neck? Can somebody tell me?
now you can hear me. So what do I do is the time runs every day like it's flying, and you want to catch up with it. You have to be really in advance. So till my December, what songs I want to release, what songs can be a hit on the dance floor, or what I need to do personally, or what do I need to do with my family or friends or something, my appointments, or my schedule is ready with it that this month I will be covering so many people and I will cover this syllabus, or I have to learn something. I'll plan accordingly. So this is my diary which has everything, and I will just go look into my diary every day, and what I will see the goals which I have to be achieving for this month. So I study like that, and I put across to the thing that okay, I have certain goals to achieve this 2020. So till from January to December, I'll plan something for me, and it is written in my diary all the time. And what's the next day planning? It's already planned a day before. So this
Can
what
you
helps
hear me
me.
now? Can you hear me now?
Yeah. Pinky, hi. Pinky, hi.
Hello.
How are you? Okay. You just work, and work. Yeah. So yeah, I got the opportunity to be in my space. Pinky, you got to send me the vocals I'm waiting for. Okay. So yeah, guys, that is my time management skill, nothing else.
Yes, I guess. I mean, people lack this dedication, I believe.
Um,
It's not everyone. Everyone just wants to be a big DJ. They don't see the struggle that they have to go
oh
through,
yeah,
maybe.
there is a homework. There's a lot of homework to be there where you want to be. So it's like you should have first is your goal, where you want to reach, what you want to do.
Yeah.
If you really want to be a real good DJ, there is a DJ homework which you need to learn from others, or you have to learn from. Okay, if I have to be that DJ, which DJ you get inspired from? Suppose XYZ, you like DJ Snake, what DJ Snake has done, what he's released, what is his profile talking about? How do I reach to his profile, which has certain things lined up for him? And what you can think out of the box, not what 1,000 people are doing. What are you doing, which is out of the box? 1,001. You don't have to become. You have to become the one which is separating from others. So this is what
Yes.
you can have your own. Shameless money collaboration,
Yes.
yes, for sure.
There were
Rajat,
people
Rajat, where are
asking.
you, Rajat? Okay. Okay, there's a collaboration. Yes, we will be doing that. Hari is the person who do that. Okay.
Yes,
Time.
there was this guy asking to give him some tips on how to start DJing.
Okay, first you learn the
Like,
course, the basic course.
when you start off. Yeah.
And I would not just say that, okay, you learned the technicality. Technical are very, very simple right now. If you go to see, because our time we used to press plus, minus and plus buttons. So I've learned on Dell and
Exactly.
4.5. But for today, I guess it's very simple. Technology is very simple, but you have to go through the basics theories of DJing, technical, plus your own, you have to put in your own into this and start with DJ
Yeah.
course. And then
Yeah.
how to be a different DJ, you know, how your perception of as a DJ goes to other people, how it works, what psychology you're putting to others to think of you certain way. So you have to
Yeah.
work
Yeah.
on that. So that's
Yeah,
the
I
way.
guess people go their way and they'll settle somewhere. I mean, you find your
Because
place.
if you're talented, such talented people who are playing there, and the flow matters a lot, which crowd you're working for and what kind of crowd. If you're playing for a wedding crowd, and if you're playing in a club, you need to have sort of music which can make them happy. End of the day, your job is they are happy. That's what I believe in.
So, would you like, you have been DJing for 15 years now?
Yeah, 15
That's
years.
that's
Yes.
very, very long.
Thank you.
So, can you share a very funny incident or a weird incident that happened at a show or something that you might remember, like that was etched in your memory now?
Absolutely. Like I have performed for 17,000 people in Mauritius. That was my the most number of people in international show. So it was a government show for Mauritius, and that time my organizers like they were very worried about the payments to other artists, and they've canceled the show a night before. But I didn't let that happen, because we are Gujaratis, and Gujaratis does a lot of things which we can do, we can't talk about. But then I did, and then the show went, and the government was thankful to me that, okay, this thing happened because of you. And I performed there, and it was massive. People, like, you can see people wherever your eyes were going, like that. It was, and Arjun Rampal was there with me. So it was a memorable show. It was amazing.
Okay. So, how's your quarantine? What shows are you watching? What are you doing otherwise than music?
People bored, but I am not at all getting bored. I'm loving it. And shows that, yeah, I'm right now watching a lot of shows. I just finished Special Ops. So I like Special Ops. Yeah, it was nice, very nice. One of the good show to watch. And then I was watching Good News and this and that, all these movies which I get 2 hours from. So I take out for entertainment only 2 hours, and other hours are distributed somewhere or the other. So it's there in my schedule though. So yeah, but I want to do something. Gujju rocks in the world. Yay! Gujarati dish. My favorite Gujarati dish is dhokla. White and yellow khaman and dhokla. Okay. So હું બનાવું છું, રોજ બનાવું છું, નાસ્તો બનાવું છું, જેને પણ ખાવું હોય એ મારા ઘરે ઇન્વાઇટ છે. Okay. So yeah, I cook these days. So yeah, very important. I'm cooking these days. I love cooking, and that's my another thing that I would love to do. I would there also you work as a mixing thing. You mix things, there also, so you can make something nice. And yeah, I'm happy to be home. And quarantine is something like you be with your family, you're eating with your family, you're talking to your family. After 15 years of on and on, the cycle never broke, but this time the cycle broke, and I'm really happy to be home. I realized a lot of things that I was going back to back, and it was constant. It was not like I have taken an off for like 2 weeks or something. I've never said no to a show, and I have always been doing events, and you'll find me always all Saturdays somewhere or the other performing, or Friday or Sunday, or I'm performing for some wedding on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday somewhere. Sometimes I'm not home 15, 20 days. 1 month I'm out for US tour or Australia tour. So what about paneer chili? Okay, paneer chili will happen soon, Vedant. So Vedant has eaten my paneer chili and he likes it somehow. I hope he likes it. All right.
He likes it.
So yeah, it's very good opportunity for me to learn certain things, and I'm learning new things. So I'm spending like 2-3 hours to learn that, and 2 hours
Okay.
of my workouts in the morning, and then I'm cooking. I'm spending my time with mom, dad. I got to know a lot of things from them that they've said after longest time. So I'm feeling good warmth
Yeah.
in quarantine. I think it's very important. Hi Guru, how are you?
Yes. Yes.
How are you doing? After a long time, I've met you last week, but then you looked completely different. Hey, Jasmeet bhai, kaise ho? Jasmeet bhai, kem cho?
Hello.
Yeah. So Jasmeet bhai, how is it happening in Bangalore? Uh, I guess it's the same every. Hello, Mr. Ostwal from Chennai. Yeah. Hello, how are you? क्या आप रामायण महाभारत देखते हो? Okay, when I was a kid, I watched it, and I know. I mean, I have read Bhagavad Gita, so I'm okay with that.
Yeah. So I guess this time is really the time people were asking for, like बहुत busy हो गए हैं, अभी खुद के लिए time नहीं है.
हाँ सही
I
बात.
guess finally, and people should really
Yeah,
utilize it.
God has given break to everybody. So be happy.
Exactly.
Be happy. Learn something
Exactly.
brand new. Be with your family. Be home only. Nobody. Friends, you've seen friends all the time. You would not feel that you would go with, mom, dad to the restaurant or something to spend time. No, we have friends. We have friends. We are going out with friends. Friends.
Yeah. Exactly.
Friends has become your world, and friends have become your family. Friends are important, no doubt. But now it's time to spend some time with your family, quality time. Yeah.
Yes.
I
Exactly.
love that.
So is there if you
Unreleased
would want
mixes?
to?
Yes, bhai. Every Friday I'm releasing everything I'm releasing. I'm not keeping it with me at all. All my tracks I'm releasing because there's something brand new I'm doing it right now. And hi Vivek, how are you? Club, college or festival? I like college a lot. I love it. I love it. Thank you, Sun Rocks. Thank you so much. जसमीत भाई सारा कुछ भेज रही हूँ, ईमेल कर रही हूँ आपको थोड़े टाइम में. Yes. सबसे ज्यादा whatever I've kept it for entire like so many years, I'm releasing everything now. Quarantine is helping me to now release everything and making something brand new also. This Saturday I'm going live, and this Saturday I'm going to be playing something brand new with Bollywood. It's like I'm not playing my club set Bollywood. I'm playing something very different genre, and mixing it with different genre on Bollywood. So I'm doing something brand new. I would like to do that. Thank you,
It's
DJ
amazing.
Dax. Thank you so much.
Okay, I was saying, like, let us know when the posters are gonna be out, maybe.
Posters are gonna be out in 2 days for live for the Saturday. And yeah, every Wednesday I'm releasing my non-stop. So people can have 45 minutes of non-stop. They can chill. So all the genre you will find in Bollywood, all type of genre is releasing every Wednesday on my YouTube channel. Guys, go subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's DJ Rink India everywhere on all social platforms. You can find just with DJ Rink India. All social platforms are on it. Subscribe to my YouTube. You are gonna see amazing music coming this month. That I can promise you. You are gonna love it. All right.
One question I would like to ask is, like, there was this time in your life when it was day one that you started DJing. So how does it feel to be number one now?
Oh my God. Oh my God. It was a journey. It was the longest journey. I've never thought, I wanted to give my best as a DJ, whatever, however. I never had kept it in my mind that I want to go on top. I want to become a top, this thing. But I wanted to be different. I wanted to be enjoying my music while I'm playing. That's very important.
Yeah.
Because I enjoy what I play. People can see on my face when I'm playing. People can see it. Like she's enjoying thoroughly, and they look at me and they enjoy that. So that's more important. So I guess I've been doing that frequently, and that's one very important I've seen a very important gesture when you enjoy it, people understands that, people take that vibe. So we really don't play music, we give vibes to people, we give different vibes to people, and I give vibe. I don't play music, I play music, but that vibe you are into, you just spread that. So that's how yeah, my first gig I was very shaken, so my hands used to shake.
Where was your first gig? Where was your first gig? Was it a club?
It was in Kandivali Kamla Vihar Sports Club, where I've kept that night for my parents to see me as a DJ. That how do I play, how do I perform, and and I have called 5,000 people. You can't believe it, because I'm a Gujarati, and there is a Gujarati social group which is called Jain Jagruti Society, Jain Jagruti Center in entire Mumbai. So I have invited entire Mumbai Jain Jagruti Center to be there. And it was a free event to everybody. And there I called my parents that, okay, see what is happening, you know. So that was my first gig, yeah. So my parents
how did it
convinced
to be? I mean, were they really fascinated? Were your parents really fascinated?
So my father saw me playing there right front of the crowd. So there were like aged people also, like 50 above also, and 50 below also. So I somehow managed to tell him that, okay, listen, I am in front, people are in front, I am playing for birthdays, and it's fun. I'm just doing fun. I'm not doing much. And slowly, steadily, he got there. Today, they are proud father and mother. Very proud. Seeing a lot of awards. I could show you my awards though. The rack.
The fans would love it, I guess.
Yeah.
Do you
okay, you want to check out? All right.
Yeah,
okay. I'll take you to my rack of my awards. Okay, that was my room, and here you go. Okay, I'll show you something, guys. So here my awards. This is the rack. This I've got from so many years. One, two. So yeah, there is one behind also. So this is Times leading icons. You can see it like that. Okay.
Yeah.
So this was this year. And yeah, so this is the award. This is from Hong Kong. Hong Kong people have given me the Diamond Association. And there you go, YouTube channel, YouTube silver button. Yeah, so this is the entire rack which I keep my stuff there.
I mean, I'm very sure your parents are so proud.
And there's one more Women DJ Award, which is right there. Yeah.
Okay. Oh wow.
So this is my rack of awards.
Which one is the dearest to you? Which one is the dearest to you?
The dearest one is here. Yeah. Times leading icon.
Times leading? Oh, great.
So yeah, I love that because I was a big fan of Times before. Because all the celebrities, okay, you want to check out my studio room? I'll make you check out my studio room. I have a big house though. Okay. Okay, these are my studio pictures. So that's DJ Akhtar here.
Oh, great.
Okay, these are my 9XM smash up. You watch it on TV, and yeah. Then there's me. Then there's me with the award, and that's with my lot of crowd.
Okay, where is it?
This is around 15,000 people at Kora Kendra grounds, which I play. Kora Kendra grounds. Yeah. This is my music company. It's called DJ Rings Sound Factory. Yeah, this is me. Here again, rocking on the stage. That's my logo.
Can you do the whole look of the wall?
This is the LED screen. Look of the wall is like this, something like this.
You do all this? You arrange it yourself?
Yeah. I call it from Amazon and do things, you know. Yeah, so this is my studio, small setup of, studio. So this I've got it from VIT College. I just performed at VIT. So they gave me that. So I've just kept it on the top. I have to still arrange it. Now I got the time. And I have a small setup here. You can see the setup, small setup, very small setup. But yeah, I do have other studio where we work. I'll go back to my room again. Thank you guys for watching.
Yes, to conclude, I mean, would you like to share something to your fans, maybe
Huh,
about
anybody wants to?
maybe, or maybe some tips for DJing?
So this Saturday is what? This Saturday is must to see everybody because this Saturday I am doing techno deep house Bollywood, so it's gonna be amazing.
We believe you. I mean, please, guys, you like to say, please go live
Check it out.
on Saturday. Watch a live. Yeah, please.
Yeah.
I mean, new genre bhi hai, our new set bhi hai, so of course, I mean, for all you aspirant DJs, it's a must, I think.
Absolutely, it would be amazing. It would be amazing. Best gig till date. Best gig till date. I guess I've performed on my birthday in Dubai at Club Pulse.
Okay.
And sir has, my boss from Pulse has, filled the entire club with balloons, and there were like 3-4 cakes from fans, and a lot of fans came and celebrated my birthday in my club night, and it was very memorable. Yes.
Yeah.
So Axon, who is Axon here? Okay.
Axon is Rajat sir.
Axon is Rajat sir.
Yeah.
Axon, is that you? Okay, I didn't know about that. Okay.
Fans everywhere, I see.
Hi Mac, how are you doing? Mac from Goa is here.
Okay.
A lot of my friends are here. Okay. Guys.
Yeah, I see that.
Okay, have you guys seen everything what I was talking and showing it to them? I don't know how many people commented what. Thank you guys. Thank you. Are you guys liking the New Music Friday and Non-Stop Wednesdays? Thank you, Joel. Thank you so much. Acha, Rajat sir. I'll have to. Okay, Axon official is Rajat sir. Okay, got it.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, got it. So Axon, we're going to be collaborating now on next song, and Shameless Money request also. Everybody, we all collab on a Gujarati song.
Yeah. Gujarati, yes,
On a Gujarati song. I would sing it one of the song. Okay, Axon, you can do it now. I'm gonna sing a Gujarati song for all of you.
Amazing.
Majotu te majotu joto taro sangat re joto taro sangat tu na jane tu na mane jane jagat no nath re jane jagat no nath आज धरती मरे के ना मरे आज चांद उगे के ना उगे तमे जोड़े रे जोराज. That was a Gujarati song. Thank you guys. Thank you for listening and bearing with me. I don't know.
No, you were good. What's your favorite Gujarati movie though?
Be Yaar.
Be Yaar has to be.
It's called Two Friends. Nice.
Uh-huh.
Peppy.
Yeah.
I love it. So I'm a proper Gujarati, 100% Gujarati, and I would love to collaborate and love to experiment with Gujarati songs. And I always release my polygram on a Navratri festival. Navratra is still on, and I would love, because we have a lot of big celebration going on in Navratri in the house as well. So would love it.
Okay. So yes, Rink, that should be all. I mean,
thank
for
you
your
so
time
much.
a lot.
Thank you, DJ Oxen. Yeah. Action. Thank you so much.
Action, yeah.
Base Culture.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for having me. Thank you, Hari, for inviting me here, and everybody who is here listening to me. Thank you so much. Be safe. Be home. कुछ भी बहाने करके बाहर मत जाओ. Piyush Malhotra. Hello. How are you, Piyush? How are you doing? Oh my God! Everybody is here today. All my friends are here. It's amazing.
I think you should do a private live also.
I know everybody's gonna call me. Okay, अच्छा आप बेस कल्चर पे आते हो, हमसे बात नहीं करते हो, like that. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rajat. Thank you, Hari. Thank you for having
so
me.
much for your time.
I had so much fun.
Yeah, bye bye. Take care.
I'm sorry.
Take care, I said.
Oh, thank you.
And we'll see you Saturday.
Saturday and Wednesday, check out my Nonstop. Yeah.
Yes. Well,
Happy
bye bye.
quarantine. Yes, happy quarantine. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.